the next 3 days, we're gonna be tackling some of the world's most extreme terrain, eating only what I catch to survive. We're going after some of the world's most deadly animals, and this wild adventure all starts right now. We have just landed on one of the craziest coastlines in the world, and for the next 3 days, guys, I'm gonna be eating only what I can catch. If I don't catch food, I go hungry, but that's not it, guys. I wanna see if I can take down some of the world's most dangerous animals. I was diving out there the other day, and it got me thinking, like, I always see these dangerous animals, and I don't even think they have any predators. Hopefully, over the next few days, we're taking down some animals that have a chance to absolutely mess me up. It sounds dangerous, and it kind of sounds fun for me, until I probably get smoked by one of these bastards.